Observing rocket launches can be an exhilarating experience, yet the recent pair of SpaceX Starship departures provided an unexpected spectacle. Both crafts met their end in explosive fashion shortly after ascent. Nevertheless, the endeavors were deemed successes by the company, grateful for the bounty of data and insights gathered. Unwavering, SpaceX declared its intention to proceed with a third Starship mission on the 14th of March, subject to the acquiescence of U.S. regulators. This forthcoming venture will be broadcasted live on X, the social media haven created by Elon Musk. The mastermind behind SpaceX enthusiasts will need to rise with the dawn to catch the spectacle, as the live feed is scheduled to start at 7:30 a.m. ET, approximately half an hour prior to the anticipated liftoff. SpaceX has cautioned on its website that the timing of the mission might shift, advising followers to stay alert for updates. For Musk, orchestrator of ventures like the satellite-driven Starlink, electric vehicle pioneer Tesla, X, and the brain-computer interface innovator Neuralink, Starship represents a pinnacle of ambition. These missions are pivotal for SpaceX's, and by extension, Musk's vision of colonizing the Moon and Mars. As SpaceX gazes towards this upcoming mission, its agenda is laden with objectives. This third endeavor, charting unexplored flight paths and aiming for even richer data acquisition, might just stand as its most critical mission to date. Anticipation builds for what the Starship mission will unveil. It is structured to scrutinize the spacecraft's capability to execute specific operations. Post-liftoff, efforts will be made to unlatch Starship's cargo hold and redistribute propellant within the vessel. A pioneering attempt to reignite the Raptor engine amidst the void of space is also on the agenda, a trial of paramount importance for the trajectory of future voyages. This mission is charted to venture a novel path, opting for a descent into the Indian Ocean over the Pacific. SpaceX has articulated that this new route is tailored to enhance public safety, though the specifics of such measures remain under wraps. Furthermore, this altered course lays the groundwork for in-space engine burns, denoting attempts to rekindle the Raptor engine in the cosmos. Scheduled to last an hour and 15 minutes, this mission contrasts with its predecessors, which, if not for their premature conclusions, would have spanned 90 minutes. Reflecting on past endeavors, the April mission was curtailed by a compulsory detonation a mere 4 minutes in, due to the failure of the Starship stages to disengage. The November sortie witnessed the Starship succumb to an explosion 8 minutes post-launch, triggered by an attempt to vent liquid oxygen, a scenario Musk later suggested might have been avoidable under operational conditions. Despite the technical setbacks, SpaceX heralds these attempts, particularly the second, as fruitful. They argue that the essence of these ventures lies in their experimental nature, not confined to laboratories but exposed to the rigors of space, enriching the development of Starship. The third Starship mission is earmarked for the 14th of March at 8 a.m. ET. Its fate hinges on favorable weather conditions and the absence of technical impediments. Additionally, the mission's commencement awaits the endorsement of Federal Aviation Administration license, still pending, rendering the launch's timing flexible. For those keen on witnessing this event, SpaceX is preparing 2 live streams. The first is accessible via the SpaceX third mission landing page, with the broadcast team going live 30 minutes before launch. In line with Musk's dual role in SpaceX and X, the mission will also be streamed live on SpaceX's X account, beginning half an hour before the event.